opportunity that has given to me. Now I will explain you about my business plan. Before I explain more to you about my business plan, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Septiana Sarila Iya from the second class Business English subject. Well, we move to the material. Here we go! The product of mine is mask, and the product namely is masker Ono Niha. Why masker Ono Niha? Because this mask use Nia's regional motifs such as pictures and writings of local language to attract consumers' attention and make it differ with another product. And because of that, I try to make a mask to be traded. But I will sell it at a low price so that it doesn't worsen the economic situation of the people. And this is the picture of masker Ono Niha. Next, mission. Masker Ono Niha introduced the mask in Teluk Dalam area which have lacked knowledge about mask character. Next, description. The product is mask that have new creation with as pictures and writings of local language. The cost for this product have a variation. Start from 8,000 rupiah until 12,000 rupiah. The cost based on the size character that going to make. Market. The main market that touch is every person that live in Teluk Dalam area and person who have desire to get mask. Next is strategy. First, in order to share and promote, I will sell and promote through an online shop. And for those who buy online shop, free shipping and a promotional price. Second, another way is entrust or sell it to pharmacies so that people can easily find and buy it. And the last one is share by a pamphlet. Next, we move to the conclusion. Business plan is statement that tell the purpose of business, and the reason is belief can shape the target and also decide the strategy that use and plan that want to apply to got the purpose of the business. The plan business that I want to do is to sell mask character in Teluk Dalam area that have variation costs start from 8,000 rupiah until 12,000 rupiah per product. In order to sell the product, there are three strategies that going to apply. That is, first, sell and promote through an online shop. Second, entrust or sell it to pharmacies. And the last one is share by a pamphlet. That's all about my business plan. Thank you for your attention and bye-bye.